Now I'm going to explain how to create your first Instagram account. This account will be the most valuable assets in your affiliate marketing business, as it will allow you to reach millions of potential customers. Therefore, it is crucial that you approach this task seriously. Creating a good Instagram account will enable you to showcase your products to a wide audience, increasing your chances of making sales. Before you begin, it's important that you have already selected a niche market from the first module I have previously recommended. I have previously recommended some niches that have proven to be lucrative, and I personally advise you to choose one from the provided list. Please avoid selecting niches that are not on the list, as I cannot guarantee results in such cases. To ensure almost guaranteed results, it is advisable to choose one of the niches from the provided list. For demonstration purpose, I will select the spirituality niche and proceed to choose a product that meets the criteria. Now I'm going to guide you through the process of creating your first Instagram account. Open your browser, go to Google and search for Instagram. Choose the first option, which should be www.instagram.com. We'll click on provided link and proceed. Here you will see the option that says don't have an account, sign up. Click on sign up and Instagram will prompt you to provide certain information to create your account. It is crucial that you avoid using your personal Instagram account for the business, as you don't want to mix your personal and professional life. Please create a dedicated Instagram account exclusively for affiliate marketing business. The first piece of information you will be asked for is your email or phone number. Make sure to use different data from your personal Instagram account, as using the same information will result in rejection, stating that your data is already associated with another account. Therefore, you will need to have a separate email for this purpose. If you don't have an additional email, don't worry. You can go to Google and search for Create Gmail. Scroll down and click on How to create a Gmail account. Then click on the red button that says Create an account. Wait for the page to load and you will be prompted to provide the necessary information to create a new email address. It is a simple process to complete. Once you have created your new email, go to Instagram and enter it in a designated field. It will then ask you for full name, where you can provide your name without any issues. Next, you will come to the username section. What is a username? Well, it's how people will find you on Instagram. Your username should be related to the niche you have selected. Remember, for example, I choose the spirituality niche, so I should create an Instagram account with a name that's related to spirituality. It could be something like spirituality online or spirituality at home, any that name that is relevant. If you have choose a different niche such as weight loss, then create an account name that aligns with the weight loss niche. This is crucial. If you choose a random name, people may be suspicious. Please ensure that the username is related to your niche. After entering the username, you will need to set up the password. Once that's done, click on register and follow the subsequent steps. As you can see, I've already entered some data and I'm going to create an Instagram account called Attract Wealth. I will click here to proceed. It will then ask for a date of birth. Let's enter a fictitious one for this example, such as January the 1st, 1995. In your case, you can enter your actual date of birth. Click next and you will be prompted to verify your email address. At this point, you will need to log into your Gmail account. Remember, you created a Gmail account for this purpose. Now you need to log into the Gmail account to retrieve the verification code. I will now go to my Gmail account and once I have the code, I will return. Here I am in my Gmail account. I have received a message from Instagram. I click on it and there it is, the verification code. Copy this code and paste it into the account creation form. Let's go back to the previous screen. Perfect, now I'll enter the verification code and click next. We'll wait for a moment and there you go, your Instagram account has been successfully created. Next you will go to your profile and I will explain how to fill the information shortly. Pay close attention. To complete the creation of your Instagram account, you will need two things, a profile picture and a description for your account. To create a profile picture, you can use Canva. If you don't have an account, don't worry. You can create one for free. Go to Google and search for Canva. It will redirect you to the Canva website. Click on Sign Up in the top right corner and use the option that says Use my email. I recommend using the email you just created in Gmail for your business. I will enter my email address here. Done. Once you've entered the email address, click on Continue. Now we need to provide a name and click on Create Account. Take a look at what it says here. Enter the code that we sent to your email address to complete the registration process. Just like when we created the Instagram account, a verification code has been sent to your Gmail. So you need to go to the Gmail. I currently have it open in another tab. Go to your inbox, find the email, and you should see a verification code. Here I'm inside my Gmail account and I just received an email from Canva. I click on it and there is the verification code I need to enter to create my account. I will select it, right click and copy. Let's go back to Canva. Here we'll paste the verification code. Let's wait a moment as Canva creates our account. It's loading, so please be patient. Now you have to choose an option. I recommend selecting personal use. Let's wait a little longer and you will see that Canva offers a pay option for around $9 per month. At the moment it is not necessary. You will use Canva free version. So click on maybe later and you are done. You are now logged into your Canva account. Here we'll create our profile picture for our Instagram account. Canva is a design tool that allows you to create various types of content. Don't worry if you are not a designer or struggle with creating images. Canva does all the work for you with its ready-to-edit templates that you can download and upload. Since we are creating a profile picture for the Instagram account, we need to create a logo. You can enter a logo in the search bar and click on logo below with the dimensions 500 by 500. For now, you can choose any of the templates provided here in Canva's free version. Since I'm in the spirituality niche, I will choose something related. For example, this template looks nice. I will click on it and it will load. Once it's loaded, you can edit the image. You might have chosen a different template or logo, but no problem, the tool is very user-friendly. Simply hover your mouse over any element and you can edit it. Look, I just click on this text. Double click on it and it allows me to modify the text. If I wanted to change the text at the bottom, I click on it, then double click, and now I can enter the text. Here you should put the name of your Instagram account. My Instagram account is called Attract Wealth, so I will enter the name here. I will adjust the font size to make it smaller. Look at the top where you can choose the font size. It's a pretty cool design even if I'm not the designer. Attract Wealth. I will place it below Wealth. It looks a little bit small, so I will select the text and make it larger. As you can see, it's a pretty simple tool to use. You don't need to be a designer to create a really good design. This would be a perfect image for my profile picture. Once you are done editing, click on the share button, then select download. Choose the PNG format, leave everything as it is and click download. Once the image is downloaded, go to your Instagram account and click on the profile picture. This screen will load and here you will upload the photos you just created. In this case, the image is called Spirituality Logo. I click on it, wait a moment, and look, I already have a nice photo for my Instagram account. It is professionally enough design without a need to be a designer. From this moment on, believe me, you will be using Canva for all your designs. Remember, there are tons of logos here. Choose the one that you like the most. No problem at all. You can edit any of those logos. It is very simple. And as I mentioned before, Canva will be your design tool from now on. So remember your email and your password so you can access it in the future. Now let's complete the profile editing. Carefully click on Edit Profile. If you see a pop-up window, there is no problem, just click on Close. Now we need to fill in the information that will appear on your Instagram account. Here in the presentation, we can keep it quite simple. I will put some information for now so you can see how to do it. But you can improve it later. You'll be able to think of better way to present yourself here. Don't worry, you can edit this information later, so for now you can put in any fairly generic information. Since I am in spirituality niche and the law of attraction, I will include something related to the subject. For example, I help you manifest everything you want. You can also add some emojis. I will use a star and a heart. You can put whatever you want here. If you are in the weight loss niche, you can put something like I help you lose weight. If you are in the language niche, you can put I help you speak English. Choose something that suits your niche. Don't worry, you can always edit it later. As for the gender, I'm going to leave it blank. I prefer not to answer. You can modify this option later on. Please note that editing links is only available on mobile devices. Visit the Instagram app to edit your profile. It is essential to include a website link here. I won't tell you which link to put for now. Let's leave it as it is. Fill in the submissions and click submit. There you go, it says profile self. Now if you go to your profile, you will see the account name, the profile picture and the description. The account name will probably show your name, but you can remove or edit it from the application. You will learn how to do it later on. That's all for now. Your Instagram account is ready. With this, you can start making yourself known to the world. See you in the next video.